Okay, hello everyone. In this session, I will talk about interesting topic. So the topic is the cost of living and currency in Malaysia. This is useful information, especially for those of you who are planning to study, work, or even planning for traveling to Malaysia. So, Malaysia is Southeast Asian country located just across the border from Malaysia, Thailand, and Singapore. It is divided into two main regions, Peninsular Malaysia and East Malaysia on the island of Borneo. The capital city is Kuala Lumpur, a vibrant and modern city known for the Petronas Twin Towers, while other regions like Sabah and Sarawak are famous for their natural beauty. So, Malaysia use the Malaysian ringgit with the code MYR and the symbol is RM. One ringgit is divided into 100 cent. Banknotes are available in definition of 1 ringgit, 5 ringgit, 10 ringgit, 20 ringgit, 50 ringgit, and 100 ringgit. While coins are in 5 cent, 10 cent, 20 cent, and 50 cent. In terms of exchange rate, 1 ringgit is usually equal to around 3,500 to 3,800 Indonesian rupiah, although this change depending on the market. For example, if you hold 100 ringgit, it is worth about 350,000 to 380,000 rupiah. This conversation makes Malaysia quite attractive for Indonesians because the value of money is not too far from home, making daily expenses manageable. So let's talk about the cost of living. Of course, expenses depend on which city you live in. Kuala Lumpur, the capital, is more expensive than smaller towns like Ipoh, Johor Bahru, or Kota Kinabalu. So first is accommodation. Renting a one bedroom apartment in Kuala Lumpur city center can cost between 1,500 ringgit and maybe 2,500 ringgit per month. Outside the city center or in small towns, it may range from 800 ringgit to 1,200 ringgit maybe per month. Many students or young workers choose shared apartments, which makes housing much cheaper. So second is food. Eating at a local food stall or hawker center is very affordable, usually around 7 ringgit to 12 ringgit per meal. Dining at mid-range restaurant may cost from 20 ringgit to 40 ringgit per person. If you prefer to cook weekly, groceries for one person can be around from 100 ringgit to 150 ringgit. So third is transportation. Public transport in Malaysia is well developed, especially in Kuala Lumpur. LRT or MRT tickets usually cost between 2 ringgit and 5 ringgit per trip. Ride-hailing service like Grab are also common, with short trips around the city costing from 10 ringgit to 20 ringgit. Utilities and internet. Electricity, water, and internet bills for an apartment average around 200 ringgit to 300 ringgit per month, depending on usage. Overall, for students or young professionals, monthly living expenses in Malaysia range between 2,000 ringgit and 3,000 and 1,500 ringgit, which is about 7 to 12 million Indonesian rupiah. So that was an overview of the cost of living and currency in Malaysia. We have learned about the Malaysian ringgit, daily expenses for accommodation, food, transportation, and how it compares to Indonesia. Hopefully, this information will be useful for anyone considering studying, working, or traveling to Malaysia. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.